Hello everybody, it's your boy PanicDaPlug with another video. This one's going to be showcasing a cover art that I made, and I thought it'd be perfectly to do it on the day it released. We're talking about Armored Dangerous by Pack and Slim, or Slim and Pack, however you want to put it. And also it's produced by a good friend of mine, Certified 360 Beats. So with this cover, kind of had an idea they're running by me about the Virginia Slims packet, which I wanted to kind of modify, come in with the color of like a teal blue type, greenish type with the brand colors. Came in with the Virginia Slims pack, and I kind of wanted to take the whole carton and kind of twist it up. So I came in and just start covering up all the branding of Virginia Slim, and then I wanted to kind of throw in with the same font, Slim and Pack, you know, kind of give it that feel of using the carton of, you know, Virginia Slims and kind of just throwing their name on there. And then I just came in, I just started placing it, you know, really just everywhere I could. I came in, threw in the AK in front, threw in some shadows below it, came in, like a lot of this is just throwing your shadows before. Shadows is really everything. Like a lot of people like to do drop shadow, but drop shadow is so limited and it kind of like, it's so stuck on the actual image. So if you do a drop shadow on text, it's gonna basically build off of that text. But when you make your own shadow, like I did such here, you come in with the product and you can kind of customize that a little bit more. And really all you're doing is just taking a brush, softening it up a little bit and kind of going from there. So with the cigarette pack, I couldn't find one that had the same color way as the carton. So I kind of had to come in and kind of just basically color it myself, throw in the colors line by line, then come in with the text same as before. And I thought it was so cool of like, okay, so we got the AK, like why just have cigarettes? Let's put some ammunition inside the actual cigarette pack. And really that was just a little bit of cutting. Sucks mostly is when you're dealing with images such as this of Virginia Slim pack, is like trying to make them look a little bit of HD, and you can do a lot of that with the filters and basically camera raw filter, coming in and kind of like really bringing back the image of what it is. Or you could actually, if you're good at 3D modeling, or you can also find 3D mock-ups, which I couldn't find in this situation. But yeah, let's continue to move on. So actually with this, I came in and I did a smart filter like I was talking about, and basically I came with a camera raw and basically final touches. Air rental, my logo, Certified 360 Beats. Add a little noise. I love noise. I love adding that texture to it, and I think it really does a good job on just giving that element of look. Sometimes I found using too much texture can really like ruin an image, but it really depends how much you use. And I like to really, my two adjustment layers, or really I do vibrance and I do brightness and contrast. But really in this situation I did a lot of hue, mess with the colors, and I came with my brightness and contrast, and boom, you have cover art for Armored Dangerous by Slim and Pack, produced by Certified 360 Beats. Go download that. It's in the description right now. Hopefully you like these videos where I do a little breakdown. Just let me know in the comments what y'all want to see on the channel and what I can do with the cover art and stuff and videos, whatever y'all want to see behind the scenes. Let me know. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
Mommy, Panic's shooting a movie.